Hey everyone, Austin Fenner here at Guaranty RV, and today we're going to take a look at one of our 2019 17K Nashes. We'll go ahead and start here on the front. It's got the two big propane tanks, electric tongue jack, make it nice and easy. All you got to do is push a button. As you come around, you do have a full pass-through. And they are magnetic latches, so there's no more latch to have to hold them open, which is nice. We'll come on inside. As you come in, you got a nice queen-size bed. If you look up front on the bed, you have USB plugs and 110 plugs. Nice overhead storage, real wood cabinet doors. Fantastic fan already in the skylight there. Nice and easy to get to. Monitor panel with your awning extension and your solar panel controller right there by the door. It is a smaller unit, but it does have a nice, large, easy to use bathroom. Big shower in there. As you work your way back, nice stainless steel sink. You also have another charging station back here that'll have a 12-volt plug, USB plugs, all your 110 and all your TV adapters are all right there ready to go, and then your mounting spot is right here on the wall. Big fridge and freezer. And a nice pantry, or you can use it as a closet because in the top it does have some hooks for clothes. And a great layout because as you look, there's the three big windows that allows in a lot of light. When you back into a spot over at the coast or something, you get a nice good view, and a three-person table, and then this will also fold down into a sleeping area. Nice big grab handle, so when you're coming down the stairs you got something to hold on to. This is an outside spot where there's some little trays and some baskets that you can mount on there. Outside speakers, and then you got a LED porch light out here. 110 plugs, so if you have a little table out here you could plug in anything that you need to on the outside. Spare tire, ladder so you can go up on the roof and check out all the seals, make sure everything is good up top. You do have an extra storage spot on the back because you can install a generator on these if you wanted one. Your shore cord has a compartment, so all you got to do is just push it back in there. You don't have to wind it up anymore. Your fresh water fills right here. And an outside shower, which is nice, and a black tank flush to clean out the inside of the holding tank. And you have a oversized water heater. You have a 10-gallon water heater, so when it's nice and cold outside you can get a good long hot shower. And another plug here for a portable solar panel that you can plug in and help charge the batteries. So we just took a look at our brand new 2019 17K Nash. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. My name is Austin, and you can reach me on my cell phone, which is 541-972-2484. Thank you.